Hello, fam. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Whenever the time zone you are watching the video, I greet all of you. Okay. My name is Aboeji 001. Have been in this industry for 1.5 years as a retail trader. So we are still a retail trader. Um, How was your weekend? Hope is doing fine and happy new week in advance. Happy new week in advance. Today is Saturday. Hope you backtest. Hope you review a journal for the trade you took this week, and hope you are preparing for the next week. Let's quickly before we go to into the chat. Let's quickly greet our subscriber. I really appreciate to the all subscribers. I really appreciate all the all subscribers, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and don't forget to turn off the notification button so that you'll be the first person to watch my video. And don't forget, if you do not understand, don't forget to what to comment that I should enlighten you more on it. So I'm free. And for those people that know more than me, if you want to teach me more, I'm free. Seriously, just comment and I will reply you. We follow up. Thank you. I really appreciate. Let's quickly go into the chat and see what the market has for us next week. And as you all know, sorry for that. We firstly check our forex factory to check maybe there is high impact news so that we can prepare ourselves ahead news. You understand? So before news, the advice is that 15 minutes or 20 minutes to news, don't enter the trade. You understand? So after the mark, after the news print out what you wanted to print out, maybe 5 minutes. Now, if you see the liquidity swept, you can put in. But mostly time, the news used to set the liquidity before continuing the trend. You understand? That's what the news is. It's for Sorry for that. So let's see what Forest Factory has for us. And this is Monday. If you want to do this like this, it's like this. You go like this. Monday 22 towards 25 and apply setting. So it has apply setting. So the trade will give you from Monday to Friday. So let's just see what we have. This is Monday around 2 p.m. We are not trading CNI. We are trading what USD. So we'll be looking for high part USD news and Euro to Euro USD and JBP USD also. And this is the high part, which is high part news is what is red. The medium is what the this orange color is what is like is medium impact news, and with this one is low impact news. But this high impact news is the one most trader used to focus on. Is the one most trader used to focus on seriously. So we have high impact news. This is it. Let's see the effective. What is the effective? Usually is actual greater than the forecast is good for the currency. What they mean is what actual is greater than the forecast is what when this actual is greater than this forecast. Maybe this is 3.5. They are looking up to, you understand, they predict that maybe 3.5, but they are expecting more than 3.2, maybe 3.5. You understand? It's good for the currency. The currency will what? We start bullish. But the advice is for us that we should not enter the market before the news. We should enter the market after the news. When did you see the liquidity swept out? If you see that this news is what is high party news, we just wait where the liquidity swept. After the liquidity swept, the bullish will continue. This This orange one are medium wick. Sometimes it affects the market small, sometimes it does not. So that's why most traders focus on the red one. If high impact news, you can see this unemployment claim. Well, let's see the effective. What they say, actual less than forecast is good for the currency. They said they are still expecting actual more than the forecast. Maybe like this is the forecast 220 and the actual is 250. The currency will bullish up. Yeah. So this is Wednesday. And on Thursday, we do not have any news. You can see there is bank holiday, which is Christmas. So the market will be slow. The market will open, but it will slow. They will not be liquidity. It will just be creating liquidity there will be liquidity in the market. BOG government is going to speak that day also. If more hawkish than expected is good for the currency. If the BOG government spoke and what they said is what is positive, that's what made the main hawkish. It will be good for the currency. You understand? So on Friday, which is that day, there is no with the Canada. The Canada has back on. They are still having back holiday. So let's go to chart. Let's see what we have in chart. Yep, welcome back. This is the chart. This is what we ask for all my subscribers for who do that they are following me. They know where I used to start from. I started from AXUUSD. Let me explain for you the news we are saying. If you know that we are paying with USD. If that news is high impact news, it is positive. What will happen is that what the XAU gold we what we come down, while while if USD is what is bullish, gold will what will bearish. If USD is bearish, gold will what will bullish. That is it. That's how the news affect the XAUSD. You understand? So let's move to what monthly time frame. I've started from monthly time frame for all my subscribers. They know that I've started from monthly time frame. This is monthly time frame. What we draw on a monthly time frame is only just our weekly time frame. Our weekly level. This is our weekly level here. You can see market has mitigated this several times. This is our key level here, which if market came here, it will react, continue the bullish, and market has reacted here. You can see market broken it. So in which if market come, it will first reacted before what before continuing that trade. Let's see what we move to weekly time frame. The weekly time frame is only just key level also. The recent key level, you can see this is the recent key level here. Key level here where market what where market retraces down. This is another key level here where the market is going down, which means with this level what there is something here, and this is level here. If this key level does not hold it, definitely this place will hold it because there is key level which market has mitigated it several times before broken it upward, and there is key level here also. This what we drew on monthly and weekly time frame. Let's go to daily time frame. This where we see what will happen on daily time frame. You can see daily time frame we only just withdrew our recent swing low and recent swing high. This is the swing high. You can see this is the swing high. This is the swing high here. Seriously, this is the swing high here. This is the swing high here. This is the swing high here, and this is the swing low here. This is the swing low. This is our swing low here. And this is the previous what we drew our previous swing high and previous swing low. This is the previous swing high here and previous swing low here. And the reason why market came here is because there is FEG, which in which this there is liquidity here. That's why markets came here to respect this place. Markets respected this place, FEG. After market respected the FEG, what the market did? Market market was reacted here and what continued the bullish. And you can see the bullish. This is a bullish. Seriously, this is bullish. And if you use the trend, you can see this is if we use the trend like this is bullish. You can say this is bullish. This is what this is bullish for us. And let's move to what we do on daily time frame is just to look the trend, maybe the bullish and the bearish. And if you can see, we are in what? We are in bullish. We drew our previous what? Our swing low, recent swing low and swing high, and previous swing low and swing high. So let's move to daily time frame, 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame is just what? To follow the recent trend. Seriously, to follow the recent trend. And on daily time frame, you can see this is the last break of structure the market gave us. This is the if you read from here, this is the break of structure. Change to what? Turn to change of character. Market mitigated this other block and give us what? Another break of structure. And this is the last break of structure, which means the demand zone market has not respected, in which there is what? There is FEG, there is small FEG here, which means this is what? This demand zone is what? Is valid for us. And on daily time frame, this is what I'm still expecting down to, because this is equal high for me. This is liquidity. This is liquidity. I'm expecting the market to what? To sweep the liquidity before continuing the downtrend. Seriously. As for me, this is liquidity for me. Seriously, this is liquidity. Market is going to sweep this liquidity and continue the downtrend. You will see. Yeah, let's read the structure from daily time frame, from 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure market gave us. I said this is the no, this is not that. This is not the last break of structure. This is the break of structure. You can see this is the internal break of structure. This break of structure, internal break of structure. This is internal break of structure, and this is another. If you can see, this place is another break of structure for me. This is break of structure. Market sweep this break of structure and continue the uptrend. Continue market sweep the liquidity here. There is liquidity this time. Market sweep and continue the uptrend, and this is the trend we want to follow. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to follow the trend. This is the trend we got to follow now. You understand? This is the trend we got to follow. You can see this is the last break of structure. After this last break of structure, what did the market did? Market give us what? Swept the liquidity. After market swept the liquidity, market created what? And from you, there is what? There is there is imbalance here. There is imbalance here, which market has not mitigated, and this will serve as other block for me, because this week this candle swept this liquidity. This will serve as other block for me, because I'm expecting the market to sweep those equal high before continuing that trade. Seriously, this is equal high. I'm expecting the market to sweep this equal high before continuing that trend. Seriously, and as for me, this is the last break of structure here. This is the last break of structure here. This market is coming down because let's be expecting the market to come down. All these plays are liquidity. They are liquidity and expecting the market what to go up. I'm still expecting buy after that liquidity swept, after that equal high swept. Definitely we continue the downtrend. Seriously, this is what I have on good. This is what I have on good. This is what I'm expecting on good. Seriously, and if you want to take this sell, let's go and check 50 minutes and 5 minutes to continue that sell. This is the sell. This is the sell. Let's go to 5 minutes. Ehen. This is sell. If you want to take the sell, this is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure for sell. After this last break of structure, and this is the what? No, 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 no. Let's see what is happening here. This is what is happening here. This is the break of structure. This is the last break of structure here. After it, if you can come here, take the sell, take the sell. Come here and take the sell. That's it. If you can come here and take the sell, it's okay. That's what it asks for us. Just come here and take the sell. But this is where we are buying. This is where we are buying. Let's move to XAU. XA. Let's move to sorry for that, SAG USD. Yeah, as usual for monthly time frame. For for monthly time frame, this is our last. This is our last. I market has broken. Give us reconstruct. Give us reconstruction for monthly time frame. Definitely what? Yeah, uptrend. And this is our key level. I'm expecting market to react. Seriously, if market came here, it will react small. If market came here, it may react. If market came here, it may react. So let's go to weekly time frame. These are our weekly time frame. These are our previous key level, and these are our previous recent key level here. You can see we have reconstruction for monthly for from weekly key level itself. This is our what? This is our demand zone. These are our demand zone. Let's move to daily time frame. Our recent swing high and recent swing high, recent swing low, and previous swing high and previous swing low. These are high. These are low because this is the last break of structure here. So these are our recent these are recent swing low, and these are recent swing high. And you can see we have break of structure here, which means we have already have a recent swing low here, which this one will serve as our previous one like that. Like, like, so let's see what is happening. So 4 hours to join the recent trend. This one is what is weekly break of structure, and we can see we have break of structure here. But let's just see to 4 hours and see what our recent trend is. On 4 hours, this is it. Let's redefine this structure very well. This is our break of structure very well. You can see this is on 4 hours. You see the current trend. This is the current trend. You can see the current trend. This is the current trend. And what current trend is telling us? This is the recent what? Recent 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 break of structure. And this is the what? This is the low. This is the higher low. This one is our liquidity. Let's move to 1 hour. Since we have seen that this is uptrend, this is our recent trend we continue the market for. Let's move to 1 hour. You can see the opportunity. 1 hour is telling us since this as our low, this is the on 1 hour, this is the real construction here. And this we still have liquidity here. If you can see, this is imbalance, which market has not mitigated. We have FEG here. This serves as liquidity. We have FEG here. So this is where we anticipating for buy. This will serve as liquidity for me. Seriously. I said the other time that this on 4 hours. Hey, what happened to our mouse? On 4 hours, this will serve as what? As inducement. And 1 hour said this is the last FEG we have, which we are expecting market to us to mitigate it, to sweep it. So let's sell at 50. Yeah, this is the last. Let's see if Fibonacci retracement. If Fibonacci retracement tell us 50 or 0 points. Yeah, this market is valid. Let's just wait for market here. I'm expecting the buy here on XAG USD, which is silver. Let's move to US 30. This is US 30. For monthly time frame, what US 30 is telling us, US 30 is telling us we are in bullish. Those are key level for monthly time frame. This is key level, this is key level, and this is key level. Since we have drawn our key level on monthly time frame, weekly time frame, let's go and see what key level is. This is key level here, and this is the key level here also. This is the key level here also. Let's move to daily time frame. Our recent one swing high and swing low. This is our recent swing low here, and this is our recent swing high here, and this is our previous one, and this is our previous one. You see here, this one, you can say this is our previous one. Yes, because it gives us break of structure. It's our previous one and the previous one. This is our recent one and recent one low. And if you can see this, we have FEG here, which means we are expecting markets to come down here, to come here. Well, this is, as for me, this is what liquidity, trend line liquidity, because there's FEG here. You can see this is FEG. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what 4 hours time frame. Hey, this is 4 hour time frame. And if you can read the structure, the market is telling us, this market is telling us what? Break, break, break and structure. You can see internal break of structure. Internal break of structure market mitigated is this is the last break of structure market mitigated. You can see this is the last break of structure market mitigated. For my view, this one is not break of structure. You see, it's not break of structure as for me. This one is not because it's liquidity swept as for me. But let's see, there is liquidity here. Let's use our horizontal line. You can see there's liquidity here because there's FEG here. I'm looking here, there's FEG here. There's FEG here. You can see break of structure. Let's move to 1 hour and see the trend. And if we use our trend line, you can see this is this break of structure. So let's move to 1 hour. Let's see the 1 hour. This one is not trend for me, it's liquidity swept as for me. It's liquidity swept. So if I want to take this trade, I'll be expecting the market here. I'm still as expecting for buy because this is liquidity also for me here. I think there's liquidity here also on 1 hour. You can see we still have liquidity here also. So as for me, I'm anticipating for buy because there's FEG here. If we redefine this FEG, it will be here. So let's see what market is trying to do. If you want to take this sell, let's take the sell here. Let's wait for market here to see what market we do seriously because this place is liquidity sweat for me seriously. Let's see 1 hour. Let's go back to 1 hour. You can see the liquidity sweat. This face out as which means liquidity swept this place for me. As for me, liquidity swept this for me, and this is the last break of structure to uptrend. Internal break of structure. We have FEG here. We have FEG here. If we can read the market from 30 minutes, you can see that we have FEG here. We have change of character here, and this is the other block that gave us the change of character. But let's just we have other block here. And we have FEG here. So let's wait for the buy here. You need to be serious with it. Up here. And if this one does not hold it, definitely this one will hold it. Let's see the one that is going to hold it. But if you want to confirm your to confirm your market very well, you guys wait on 5 minutes or 15 minutes. As for me, this place is okay. On 15 minutes, you can see we have last break of structure here. This is our liquidity. This is our liquidity also. Markets, you can see, you can see liquidity have been swelling up here. So this is, if you want to take this sell again, you can take this sell from here. This is break of structure. You can see this is break of structure, and this is the what? This is the other block that gives us the break of structure. So they just take the sell. Here, we continue our buy. We continue our buy from here. Seriously, this way we continue our buy. But since it's on since it is on 5 minute on 15 on 1 hour time frame, you guys wait on 15 minute time frame. If you see break of structure or market set, so take your trade like that. Take your trade, you are free to go. But if you not see any changes, definitely you guys wait for confirmation. Let's move to GBPUSD. This is hit for monthly time frame. We are seeing uptrend. This is recent trend for uptrend and weekly time frame is these are key level here, key level here, key level here. This is the last break construction for weekly time frame. And this is the higher high that gave us this. This is the higher low that gave us this higher high. This is the previous higher high. Let's move to daily time frame, our swing high and swing low. And hmm, from daily time frame, this is our last break construction. You can see this is our last break construction here. This is our last break construction. And this is the low that gave us this last break of structure here. Seriously, this is the low that gave us this last break of structure here. This is our recent break of structure. This is our previous one. And we have FEG. You can see this FEG, this another FEG here. But market mitigated this FEG, and this is the supply zone. This is supply zone here. But these are internal supplies, internal break of structure supply zone here. You can see market reacting to the report. Let's follow our recent trend. Our recent trend, this is heat. This is our recent break of structure here. You can see we have break of structure here, which market has what give us change of character here. Market came to this demand, give us another break of structure, but all this candle has already been mitigated, which is invalid for us to come and take the trade. And you can see this is our last break of structure here. After this is our this is our recent break of structure here. And if you want to take this trade, if you want to follow this trend, this is our recent swing high, previous swing high and previous swing low. And this is our recent one, high and low. But this serves as liquidity for me because we still have FEG. Seriously, because you can see this is the recent break of structure here. We have break of structure. We have 4 hours. What is 4 hours telling us? You can see 4 hours telling us. If you can read this market from up, let's just read this market seriously. Let's just read this market and see what the market is telling us. As for me, we have break of structure here. Market mitigated this break of structure and giving us downtrend. We have break of structure here. From 1 hour, we have already have what liquidity swept. This candle swept this liquidity. So definitely the market is in downtrend. On 4 hours, this is the last break of structure. And we are having, let's follow this trend. This is the trend we are following here now. This is the break of structure. This is the what supply zone market mitigated. Let's move to 1 hour and see the recent trend. This is the 1 hour. Let's follow the recent trend on 1 hour. This is the last. This is the FEG. This is the FEG. And you can see market is telling us uptrend from 1 hour safe because this is the last break of structure. This is the supply from 4 hours. This is the supply zone that is pushing the market down. Let's move to 1 hour. This is 1 hour. We have last break of structure here. And this is the break of structure we have here. We have break of structure here. We have FEG here. We have FEG here. So we guys have patience very well before we can take this market. So 1 hour is telling us 4 hours is telling us bearish. Seriously, this is bearish market. This is bearish. This is where we are taking the buy from. This is where we are taking for the buy. But 1 hour, let's just follow the 1 hour and see what the 1 hour. If you want to enjoy this market, we guys wait here. Let's just wait for the market here. Don't let us enter the trade earlier. Let's just wait for the market here. If we can wait for the market here, it's okay for us. Seriously, if we move to 15 minutes, since it's 4 hours, let's move to 15 minutes and see what trend is telling us. This is the 15. This is the last break of short on 15 minutes, and you can see this is the way markets try to mitigate. And if you can see, we have break of short, last break of short change of character. I'm still looking for downtrend seriously because this is the last break of short I'm seeing. This piece has liquidity for us. So let's just wait for markets. Yeah, if you want to enjoy the market, let's wait for market here to take the buy. To continue the buy because market still has some way to go. This is the last break of short. If the market break this last break of short, definitely that's market break because we have liquidity here because this FEG on 4 hours on one daily time frame. This FEG we have liquidity here. I'm expecting the supply. This is the already because this is the higher. This is the lower high. Those are manual lower high. Seriously, because this is the lower high that give us this manual lower high, and this is if markets now break down these 4 hours, definitely we are in trend downtrend. If market break, we are in downtrend. So as for me, let's wait for market to break this. But we have this supply zone market giving us, and this is the other block. Let's wait for this other block. If this other block can hold it, definitely we continue the uptrend. Let's move to Euro USD. This is the Euro USD again. I think they align together. They align together. Let's see. This is the recent trend. This is the uptrend. You can see this is the uptrend. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is our key level here. This is our key level here. This is the last break of structure market gave us here. This is the last break of structure, and this is the recent previous break of structure. This is the recent break of structure, and this is the previous break of structure. And you can see these are key level. Market has mitigated it, and we have key level, and we have key level here, which market has tested again. So we have FEG there. This FEG is too large. It's too large. This liquidity. Let's move to daily time frame to see what is happening on daily time frame. The overall trend is uptrend. If you can see, this is the last break of short. This is the supply zone market, what market mitigated, and this is the high. Yeah, this is the high. Yeah, all those one are just minor supply zone here. If you can see, market has swept this liquidity here. Market has swept this liquidity here, and this is the last demand zone I'm expecting the market. This, if you can see, this is the break of structure, and this is the another break of structure. This is the last supply zone I'm expecting the market. Let's wait for market here. Let's move to daily time frame and see. If we read our swing blue, this is our swing blue here, this is our recent swing blue, and this is our swing high here. If you can read this is our what recent swing blue, and this is our swing high here. Let's just follow this trend. This is our previous one here, previous high here, and what previous low here. So let's just see what market has for us. Please, sorry for that. Market we react here because it has already been mitigated several times before market broken it. So let's wait. Let's see 4 hours. 4 hours, you can see this 4 hours. As I said, it will react before what? Before market react. This is our last break of structure here. You can see this is the last break of structure we have here. This is the last break of structure we have. And this is the what liquidity swept from here. After liquidity swept, market is giving us that trend. And this is the trend we have. So I'm waiting for market here. Let's move to the 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame, and you can see the 1 hour time frame is giving us that trend. Let's just wait for market at this demand zone, at this daily demand zone. If we can see change of character or break of structure, change of character or market shift, break of structure, market shift or break of structure, definitely will continue the uptrend. So let's move to USDJPY. USDJPY, and this trade, the fear catch me. I shifted my stop trade to tight. I tight it. You understand? So after tightening it, market retrace, take me out and continue the uptrend. Seriously, this place too. I picked it. I trade on this one. This is the last break of structure. This is the recent break of structure. So I'm here to take the trade. So market take me out, continue the uptrend the same also. So these are the trade that I took last week and this week. Sorry, let's start from monthly time frame. You can see this is the high, this is our monthly time frame, and this is our key level here, this is our key level here, this is our key level here also, which market has reacted many times and continue the uptrend. This is our key level here, this is our key level here. Let's move to weekly time frame for our recent key level. This way I'm expecting the market to come because this is weekly key level here. You can see the weekly key level here. The market is coming off. Market is coming to this place. 160 or 160, 160, 162. Market is coming to 162 or 165. Seriously, these are key level. I'm expecting the market to 165. Seriously. Let's our recent key level here. You can see this is our key level here because market has give us three candle. You can see this is the first one, this second one, this is third one, this is the third one. So let's move to daily time frame. Daily time frame, these are our last, these are These are our recent break of structure, which market mitigated. You can see market mitigated. These are demand market mitigated that give us this up. This is after market mitigated, the market come back. So let's just continue this trend. Let's just continue this trend. This is our swing high. This is our swing high, but we shall not see the break of structure here. So this will serve as our recent one now. This will serve as our recent one. This will serve as our recent one now. Let's move to 4 hours to see the recent trend. This is the 4 hours to see the recent trend. You can see this is the 4 hours to see the recent trend. This is the 4 hours to see the recent trend. And if you can read the market, we have break of structure, we have change of character. Market came back to this break of structure. See, break of structure, order block. Because there is 4 hour supply zone here, which pushes market down. And there is another 4 hour support zone that's broken the market up. Definitely, we are having markets. Yeah, this is the last break of structure market gave us. But I'm seeing this as retracement as what? This is the last break of structure. Internal break of structure. And this is the what? This is the other block. Because this other block has this candle has swept this liquidity. This is the other block here. Other block. Let's see if market may react here. But we are still going up. Let's just follow this recent trend. Let's move to 1 hour. If you can see the break of structure on 1 hour. This is the 1 hour time frame. We have this is the break of structure we have. This is the break of structure we have. So if you want to join this market, this is the last break of structure we have. This trade too, I try to pick this trade. I will show you how I'm trying to take this trade. I try to take it. The market took me in the four last count. If you can see, I'm on 5 minute time frame. You can see this is the candle. I think this is the last candle that I'm following on that day. This is the candle. So I went to 15 minute time frame. I see this recent break of structure. You understand? You see, the reason why I did not close this trade is because I've seen this trade that we see the reason why after the break of structure, market created it's as if the market has mitigated, it's trying to go up. And I see that this candle has already swept this liquidity. That's why I say this market is uptrend. But the risk on 4 hours, and I go back to the 4 hours, and I see the reason why the market took me out is because this candle that print out around 3 o'clock. This one printed around 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock, and this one printed around 3 o'clock. That's why as the candle came out now, it just swept those liquidity, fill all this. I think there's fill this FEG, swept this liquidity here also. After sweeping this liquidity here also, continue the option. The market pay me, but I cannot enter. I cannot enter. So I see this, see this. I want to enter, but I can say, oh, it has gone. It has gone, and I'm the lie. So I just leave the market and continue. If you can see, this is another last break of structure. I'm not on the trade on this one, sir. I'm not on the market. I'm not on the trade on this one. So if on 1 hour we have this is the last break of structure on 1 hour. Let's see 15, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. Maybe it's 30 minutes, maybe it's in line with it. It's aligned with it. Since it's 1 hour, let's go to 15 minutes and 5 minutes and see what the trade is. what the market is trying to print. Sorry for that network. Let's see what the market is trying to print. We are having FEG here. You can see this FEG. We are having FEG here. This is liquidity. So we are expecting the market here. But I would like to let the okay, market this was already straight. On 15 minutes, we have liquidity here. So this is our other block here. This other block is valid. You can say it's valid, but you can say it's valid. We have FEG here. We have FEG here. But I'm expecting the year because this serve as liquidity for me. This one serve as liquidity for me. If you move to 5 minutes, we see that it serve as liquidity. You can see we have liquidity here. You can see this is the break of structure. This is the liquidity here. This market say what to you can see this is the break of structure here. This market mitigated this this we have FEG here. We have liquidity here. You see the liquidity. Let's let's see. This trend, this market. Let's see what market is trying to do. Seriously, let's see what market is trying to do. Let's see what market is trying to do. Well, there's FEG. I'm expecting the FEG. The FEG. I'm expecting the FEG. VGT. There's FEGT. What market is trying to do. So there's FEG here. Let's wait for market of 15-minute time frame here. Continue the uptrend. Seriously, there's FEG here. But 1 hour this is the last break of structure we saw on 1 hour. And 15 minutes is trying to tell us that what. Let's see what 15 minutes, 5 minutes trying to tell us. This is what 5 minutes trying to tell us. This is the break of structure. Market mitigated this break of structure. Auto market mitigated give us bullish. On 30 minutes, this is the what? This is the break of structure. This is the last FEG we have here. And this FEG has already closed on 30 minutes. And 15 minutes is telling us there is FEG here on 15 minutes time frame, which there is what liquidity here. You can see the liquidity. This has closed this FEG. This is the FEG. Let's just wait for the market. Let's see what the market is trying to do. If market reacted here, definitely we will continue the uptrend. Yeah. Let's just see what market is trying to do. But we are seeing an uptrend. Let's move to GBPUSD. GBPUSD for monthly time frame also. You can see we are in uptrend. And this is the key level I'm expecting the market to come on. This is the recent key level I'm expecting the market. You can see the key level for monthly time frame. Let's move to weekly time frame. You can see this is the key level. Weekly key level that market has broken already. And market has given us what break of structure here. You can see the break of structure. You can see the break of structure. And this is the recent one. Recent key level here. Recent key level here. Which market came down. And this is the key level, another key level that market was trying to push it up. Let's move to daily time frame. Our recent swing high and swing low. You can see this is our recent swing high now. We have break of structure here. We have break of structure here. And this our demand zone here, because you can see market has sold this liquidity here. So this our demand zone here. This is our recent swing. This is our recent swing blue here now. Market has not given us swing high, seriously, because it has not, we have not seen retracement. And these are previous one. These ones, you can see these ones are previous one. These are previous swing low, previous swing high. So let's go to 4 hours and see the recent trend. On 4 hours, you can see this is the recent on 4 hours. This is the recent trend on 4 hours. There's no there's FEG here. Let's say there's FEG here. Let's refine this break of sort of area. Let's go to 4 hours. This is 4 hours here. And if you can see, we have, as for me, we have break of structure here also. On 4 hours, we have break of structure. Because if you follow this break of structure, this candle has swept this liquidity, and this is what? This is what? This is this is season break of structure from here. So we can say this as what? As other block here. But I see it as liquidity, seriously. We guys be patient very well. Let's move to 1 hour and see, maybe you can see opportunity on 1 hour. This is 1 hour. This is the break of structure here. And this is our last break of structure here. Seriously, you can see this. I've told you that this serves as liquidity for me. You can see break of structure here. This is the last break of structure. And this serves as liquidity because we see have what? We still have FEG. We still have what? FEG down on 1 hour. So market, we should be expecting market here. We should be expecting market here. So we have liquidity here. After liquidity, let's just follow our recent trend to go and take the trade. As for me, we have break of structure here. We have break of structure here. This is the last break of structure we see. And we still have another break of structure here. You can see this is the last break of structure. So let's move to 15 minutes. We can see opportunity of 15 minutes. This has already set. This has already been taken. And this is FED here. That will be taken. Let's, as for me, I'm not seeing opportunity yet. Seriously, I'm not seeing any opportunity yet, unless this is the last break of structure I'm seeing here. This is the last break of structure I'm seeing here. And if you go to 5 minutes, there's no opportunity. There's no opportunity. So market has not given us the opportunity on this GBPUSD. Let's move to BTC and and Ethereum. For monthly time frame, these are our key level here. Our key level, our key level, our key level. This is the key level where market has what? Has reacted. Let's move to week, um, weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is our key level here. Our key level, we have key level here. You can see we have key level here, which market has what has reacted several times. And this is the key level. Let's now move to daily time frame. We are seeing uptrend. So BTC, we are seeing uptrend. But let's follow this trend. Let's follow this recent trend. You understand? Let's follow this recent trend. This is the what? If we can follow this trend now, this is the low. This is the low here. This is the low here, and this is the last. This is the break of structure here. You can see this is the break of structure. Let's say this is the break of structure here. This is supply zone here. Supply zone here. We have break of structure here. And if you want to read the market, this is the low here. You can see this is the swing low here. This is the high here. But the general of the market, this is the normal swing low. But if you want to follow this recent low, this is the recent how you gonna follow how you gonna follow it. So on 4 hours, this is the last break of, and this is the what? This is the supply zone. I'm still expecting market to come and mitigate. Let's move to 4 hours to see the what market is telling us on 4 hours. Market is telling what the market is telling us. This is the you can see the market has what has mitigated this 4 hour supply zone. This the supply zone we mark on daily time frame. This this supply zone I mark on daily time frame. And 4 hours. What 4 hours is telling us? Let's just see what 4 hours telling us. This is what 4 hours telling us. Seriously, this market is uptrend. As for me, the market is uptrend. Let's read the market. We have market shift here. You understand? We have market shift here, break of structure, market mitigated this, break of structure, market now came back to this origin of market shift because on 4 hours, liquidity have said this, and the liquidity have said this candle with what? With you can see with one candle, liquidity accepts it. Market came back to this liquidity. What this is what we have, and this is the last break of structure here. After the last break of structure, market created was this liquidity here. And as for me, if you can see, this place is serve as break of structure and give us was change of character. This place now serve as change of character order block for me. What we are expecting now, the market is in uptrend. Seriously, the market is in uptrend. You just need to be anticipating for buy. Seriously, let's now move to 1 hour because market has showed this liquidity. You see, have market has showed this liquidity here. So let's move to 1 hour. Let's see what market is doing on 1 hour. On 4 hours, you can really see that this break of structure is what by liquidity swept by liquidity sweeps. You can see this is the last break of structure. On 4 hours. This is the last break of structure. Sorry for that. This is the last break of structure, internal break of structure. If we move to 1 hour, we see this, the other block here. This is the other block here. Other block, yeah. Because you can see the market give us what? This is the last break of structure. Market show this liquidity, continue the downtrend. Instead of market to break the structure, market did what again? Reacted and give us this last break of structure. And after market gave us, market is trying to what? To give us uptrend. And if I may say this liquidity swept as for me. So this is market shift. This is market shift. As for me, we have market shift here. And this is where I'm expecting the market to come and continue the buy. We are anticipating for buy here. Sorry for that. This is where I'm anticipating for buy. Seriously. The buy is valid here. Let's move on the trend. This serves as liquidity because you can see the FEG. The FEG is massive. The FEG is massive. The liquidity is what? This is liquidity, this is FEG, and this big market. You can see market has been trying to touch it, but they can't. So if you move to 15 minutes, let's see 15 minutes, what market is saying of 15 minutes. Now, if I say 15 minutes, we have what? We have last break of short, we have change of character here. This change of character order block. This change of character order block. On 30 minutes, see on 30 minutes, this 30 minutes. You can see this is liquidity, as I said the other time. This is liquidity. Market is coming to sell this liquidity, and this is where the market is trying to buy. Market may sell this we now have FEG here. Let's move to 5 minutes since it's 1 hour we play this market shift. You can see it is last FEG we are expecting the market. We are anticipating for buy there. We are anticipating for buy there. Let's move to Ethereum. Let's see what we have on Ethereum also. They are aligned together. Seriously, you see that they are aligned together. Let's just start on monthly time frame. These are the key level I have for monthly time frame. Monthly time, these are the key level I have for monthly time frame, and you can see market has already mitigated those FEG. So definitely, we are in bullish. Let's move to so let's move to weekly. This weekly time frame. This is the key level here. You can see this is the key market reacted. So this is the key level. This is the key level here, and we just see, and this is another key level here. The market broke it, and these are our recent key level. Let's just see what market. Let's move to daily time frame. Daily time frame, we draw our swing high and swing low. As for me, this is swing high here. This is swing low here. But you can see we have another swing high here. We have internal swing high, but this one serves as liquidity for me. You can see market, this serves as supply. You can see market has mitigated the supply, and this is another supply. You can see this break of structure. This is another internal break of structure. So if you can see from daily time frame, market is giving us uptrend. This week candle has already showed with its liquidity, and here you can see market came here, which already has showed with liquidity here. You can see it's already showed with liquidity here. Let's move to and here you can see this is the supply that pushes down. Let's move to let's from here you can see we can read the structure. This is change of character. You can see this is the last break of structure, and this is another break of structure here. This one serves as change of character. Market came back here. After market came back here, it's trying to give another block. This one serves as liquidity. Market came back to this another block. Let's move to 4 hours. On 4 hours, this is the way markets. This is the demand zone where markets respected. 4 hours. What 4 hours is telling us? You can see liquidity swept. This is the last break of structure on 4 hours. This is the break of structure also. Internal break of structure. This is the break of structure. You can see this is the. Let's move to 1 hour and see the other to redefine the other block very well. You can see this is the other block 1 hour gave us. Let's redefine the structure very well. This is the situation. This is where market is. It has turned. I should not write it has turned to support. Serious, it has turned to resistance. Seriously, it's trying to push it up because market has mitigated it many times, so it has turned to resistance. So I'm expecting market to come to this other block here. This other block is valid. This other block is valid. This other block is valid. As for me, this other block is valid. Let's wait for market here to continue the uptrend. We are still in uptrend level. Seriously, we are still in uptrend level. We are still in uptrend level. So up way to the supply zone. You see the up way to this supply zone. This is the supply zone I'm expecting the market. So I'm gonna set my ch- my my buy limit here. So yeah. So fam, thank you. I really appreciate this what we have for the week. Let's just be expecting. If it's not print out this week, you'll be expecting it next year. But I pray so market should print out this week. So that you can see December, let's see December morning. You can print out let's see December morning. So once again, my name is Aboyeg001. I really appreciate. Kindly don't forget to support. Kindly don't forget to what to subscribe, like, comment, share, watch also, and and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you will be the first person to see to see my video. I really appreciate for you that you want more enlightenment as to enlighten you more. Kindly comment. I will definitely reply you because we rise by lifting other. And for you, for my professionals that you are watching my video, that let's see what this guy is talking about. And if you can see this guy needs to lift up, this guy needs some lifting up. Kindly comment. I will message. I will reply you because me, I'm ready to learn. Seriously, I'm ready to learn. If you are willing to teach me, I'm ready to learn. So thank peace and love. Have a profitable and successful week ahead, and any other skills you are doing. Thanks. I really appreciate. One love. Bye for the week.